Think electric cars are starting to look the same? Think again. Today we're putting two exciting electric vehicles head to head. On one side, we have the Tesla Model Y, one of the most popular electric SUVs in the world. On the other side, we have Turkey's bold electric contender, the TOGG T10F. Two electric vehicles, two different visions, and one big comparison. Let's get into it. Tesla Model Y comes from Tesla, an American electric vehicle company that has helped shape the global EV revolution. It's known for its advanced technology, strong performance, and wide international availability. The Model Y has become a familiar sight on roads across Europe, North America, and beyond. The TOGG T10F is produced by TOGG, Turkey's national electric vehicle initiative. It represents a major step for Turkey into the global EV market, combining modern design, smart technology, and a strong focus on safety. The T10F is designed to compete with established electric brands while offering a strong identity of its own. When it comes to pricing, the Tesla Model Y generally sits in the higher end of the electric vehicle market. Prices vary depending on country and configuration, but it is typically positioned as a premium electric SUV. The TOGG T10F, on the other hand, is expected to be more competitively priced, especially in Turkey and nearby markets, offering premium features at a more accessible cost. Now let's talk about safety. Using official Euro NCAP 2025 crash test results for both vehicles, starting with the Tesla Model Y. In Euro NCAP testing, it achieved 91% for adult occupant protection, (93% for child occupant protection), (86% for vulnerable road users such as pedestrians and cyclists), and 92% for safety assist systems. These results show a very strong and well-balanced safety performance across all categories. Now the TOGG T10F. In the same Euro NCAP 2025 tests, it scored an impressive 95% for adult occupant protection. %, for child occupant protection. %78 for vulnerable road users. And 80% for safety assist systems. This highlights excellent protection for adults inside the vehicle, with solid performance across other safety areas. Side by side, Tesla Model Y offers a more evenly balanced safety profile, particularly in safety assist and pedestrian protection. TOGG T10F stands out with exceptional adult occupant protection, proving that Turkey's first electric car can compete strongly with global brands. So the big question is, which one would you choose? The globally proven Tesla Model Y or Turkey's rising electric star, the TOGG T10F? If you enjoyed this comparison, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with other car lovers. Leave a comment below and tell us which car you prefer and why. And let us know which cars you want us to compare next. Your suggestions could be our next video.